Gracious Father, I come to you today, not in strength, but in need. My body is tired. My spirit needs your touch. And in this place of weakness, I choose to look to you, the God who heals, the God who restores, the God who makes all things new. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147:3. Lord, I believe in your power to heal. You healed the blind, you healed the lepers, you raised the dead, and you are the same God today as you were then. Your healing power has not diminished. Your compassion has not run dry. Right now, I ask you to lay your healing hands upon me. Touch every part of my body that is suffering. Speak life into what feels broken. Breathe strength into what feels weak. Restore what has been lost and renew what has grown weary. But he was pierced for our transgressions, and by his wounds we are healed. Isaiah 53:5. Jesus, by your stripes I am healed. I stand on that promise today, not on what I can see, but on what your word says is true. I trust your timing. I trust your methods. I trust your love. Whether healing comes suddenly or gradually, I will praise you through it all. In Jesus' healing name, amen.